What if the most structurally advanced, energy efficient, and visually striking home you could ever build was actually inspired by one of the oldest architectural shapes in human history? Not a glass box, not a barndominium, not a farmhouse, a circle. And in 2026, architects and homebuilders around the world are rediscovering that the Roundavel, once rooted in ancient African and indigenous building traditions, might just be the smartest home design of the future. Welcome back to Affordable Homes and Plans. If you are new here, this channel is your go-to destination for honest, in-depth coverage of the best home designs from budget builds all the way up to luxury architecture. Today we are going deep on modern Roundavel house design, what it looks like in 2026, why it performs better than most conventional homes, how you can actually build one. And at the very end of this video I am going to reveal a specific company that specializes in building these incredible round homes and can work with you no matter where in the world you are located. So make sure you stay with me until the end, because that last piece of information alone could save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. If you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a video from this channel. And if you enjoy this kind of honest, research-backed home design content, drop a like before we continue. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are looking for exactly this kind of information. The origins of the Roundavel. Now, let us get into it. The word Roundavel, also spelled Roundavel, comes from the Afrikaans word Roundavel, which itself was derived from the Dutch. It originally described the traditional circular huts built across sub-Saharan Africa, particularly in South African and Southern African rural communities. These structures featured thick mud walls, a conical thatched roof, and a single open interior space that was remarkably efficient at regulating temperature and extreme heat. What African builders understood centuries ago, and what modern architects are only now fully quantifying with data, is that the circle is the most structurally efficient shape in nature. In 2026, modern Roundavel design takes that ancient intelligence and fuses it with contemporary materials, smart home technology, floor-to-ceiling glazing, passive solar engineering, and open-plan luxury interiors. The result is a home that does not just look extraordinary from the outside. It actually performs better than a conventional square or rectangular home on almost every measurable level. Structural performance. Let us talk about the structure first, because this is where most people are genuinely surprised. A round home has a shorter perimeter relative to its interior floor area than any other shape. This is not a minor detail. It means that for the same square footage as a rectangular house, a round home uses less wall material, which directly reduces construction costs when you are comparing apples to apples. Beyond material savings, that curved wall geometry creates a structure that handles external pressure in a fundamentally different way than a flat wall. When wind hits a flat surface, it builds pressure on one face of the building. When wind wraps around a curved wall, that pressure disperses continuously around the structure. This is why modern Roundavel homes and circular prefab homes are consistently rated for hurricane and high wind resistance that rectangular homes simply cannot match at the same price point. We are talking about structures that have been engineered to remain standing through 130 to 175 mile/hour wind events. And the same geometric logic that makes them wind resistant also makes them significantly more resistant to seismic activity. In earthquake-prone regions, the dozens of interconnected load points in a circular structure give the home a combination of flexibility and rigidity that a box-shaped building cannot replicate. Energy performance. That is the structure. Now let us talk about energy performance. Because in 2026, with energy costs continuing to rise in most markets, this is where the modern Roundavel really starts to make financial sense. Because a round home has less exterior surface area relative to its interior volume than a rectangular home of the same size, there is simply less wall coming into contact with outside temperatures. Less surface area means less heat loss in winter and less heat gain in summer. This reduction in thermal exposure directly translates to lower heating and cooling demand. When you combine that with the aerodynamic shape that naturally reduces drafts and air infiltration, and then add passive solar design principles where the home is positioned and windowed to capture winter sunlight and shade summer heat, a well-designed modern Roundavel can achieve energy performance that would require expensive upgrades in a conventional rectangular home just to approach. A net-zero Roundavel, which is a home that generates as much energy as it consumes on an annual basis, is genuinely achievable at a reasonable budget in 2026. We are seeing solar array integration, rainwater harvesting systems, high-performance radial roof insulation, and triple-glazed panoramic window systems all being incorporated into modern Roundavel builds without the home needing to sacrifice a single inch of its visual drama. Exterior design and aesthetics. Now let us talk about what these homes actually look like in 2026, because this is where the conversation gets exciting. The modern Roundavel aesthetic in 2026 has moved well beyond the rustic thatched roof image most people have in their heads. Contemporary designs are bold, warm, and deeply connected to the landscape. The exterior palette in 2026 leans heavily into what designers are calling warm modern, combining the clean geometry of a circular footprint with natural materials like FSC-certified timber cladding, board and batten wood composite siding, locally quarried stone, and stucco accents in warm earth tones. Think rich terracotta, deep sage, warm charcoal, and honey-toned wood. These homes do not look like science experiments. They look like they belong exactly where they are built, whether that is a woodland clearing, a coastal hillside, a mountain meadow, or a suburban lot. The roofline on a modern Roundavel is one of its most architecturally distinctive features. Instead of a simple peaked roof, contemporary round homes use a radial truss system where structural beams radiate outward from a central ring at the apex, similar to the spokes of a wheel. This engineering creates a self-supporting roof structure that requires zero load-bearing interior walls. Read that again. No load-bearing interior walls. That means the entire interior of the home is one completely open, configurable floor plan. Whatever room arrangement you want, it can be done. No structural walls boxing you into a predetermined layout. Interior design and living experience. The interior design possibilities this creates in 2026 are genuinely stunning. Without corners and without interior load-bearing walls, the living space of a modern Roundavel flows in a continuous curve. Natural light enters from all angles when you incorporate panoramic windows around the full perimeter of the structure. The effect inside is unlike anything a rectangular home can produce. You are not looking at a wall. You are looking at a landscape, from every direction, all at once. Interior designers working on round homes in 2026 are leaning into curved sectional sofas, circular dining tables, built-in curved shelving units, and custom axe-shaped kitchen islands that follow the geometry of the walls. These are not compromises forced by the shape. They are design opportunities created by it. Vaulted ceilings are standard in most modern Roundavel designs because the radial roof system naturally creates a dramatic interior height at the center of the home. Spiral staircases and multi-level designs become a central sculptural feature rather than a functional afterthought. In larger round homes, a central courtyard or skylight at the peak of the roof becomes the visual anchor of the entire interior, drawing the eye upward and flooding the space with overhead natural light. Honest considerations before you build. Storage in a round home does require intentional planning, and I want to be honest with you about this because not every home design is perfect for every person. Most standard furniture is designed for flat walls and right-angle corners. In a round home, you either work with custom or curved furniture, or you lean into built-in cabinetry and shelving that follows the wall curve. Many modern Roundavel owners say this forces a more intentional approach to possessions and layout, which they end up appreciating. But it is a real consideration if you are someone who furnishes from standard retail catalogs and does not want to deal with any custom work. The other honest consideration is permitting. Depending on your municipality, a circular home may require more back and forth with your local building department than a conventional rectangular structure, simply because inspectors and permit reviewers are more accustomed to standard framing. This is not a deal breaker by any means, but it is worth building extra time into your permitting process, particularly if you are in a suburban or urban area rather than a rural setting where there tends to be more flexibility. Construction cost. Construction cost is also worth addressing directly. The per square foot cost of building a modern Roundavel will generally run higher than a basic rectangular stick-built home, primarily because of the specialized structural components and the curved precision required in fabrication. In 2026, custom round home construction typically runs anywhere from $250 to $600 per square foot for a finished build depending on your location, the level of finishes you choose, and your builder. That is a wide range, and where you land within it will depend heavily on how you approach the build process. Prefabricated round home shell systems, where the structural components are factory manufactured to precision tolerances and then shipped to your site for assembly, can significantly reduce both build time and on-site labor costs compared to a fully custom stick-built approach. A prefab shell approach means your structure can be assembled in days rather than months, protecting your materials from weather during the critical framing phase and reducing the margin for on-site error. The company that builds them. Which brings us to the part of this video I promised you at the beginning. The company. If you are serious about building a modern round home and you want to work with an organization that has been doing this longer than almost anyone else on the planet, the name you need to know is Deltec Homes. Based in Asheville, North Carolina, Deltec has been manufacturing precision-engineered round home shell packages since 1968. That is over 50 years of dedicated round home construction, and their homes have been built in more than 30 countries worldwide. When Hurricane Florence hit the Carolinas in 2018, Deltec homes in the affected area came through without structural damage while conventional homes around them were severely compromised. That is not a marketing claim. That is a documented, verifiable performance record. In 2026, Deltec offers two main paths for building a round home. Their 360-degree signature collection gives you access to 52 pre-designed floor plans that you can customize to your needs. Their 360-degree design studio path takes full advantage of the round home's open floor plan freedom and allows you to design your layout completely from scratch. Their newest model, the Tranquility, is a 1,327 square foot round home with 6 flexible floor plan options including 3-bedroom layouts, separate foyers, and home office nooks. It delivers all the panoramic views and structural performance Deltec is known for in a right-sized, efficiently priced package. For those wanting to start smaller, Deltec also just launched the Backyard Cottage line, the Refuge at 326 square feet and the Sanctuary at 517 square feet. These compact round structures function as home offices, guest suites, creative studios, or accessory dwelling units, and the structural shell for the Refuge starts at $24,999. Given that the shell typically represents about 1/4 to 1/3 of total project cost, you are looking at a total build starting just above $110,000 for the Refuge, which is a genuinely accessible entry point for round home living. Deltec also manufactures their homes in a facility powered entirely by renewable energy. They were the first prefab home company to receive B Corp certification, which means they have been independently verified as meeting the highest standards of social and environmental performance. If sustainability is part of your reason for considering a Roundavel home in the first place, Deltec's operational values align with that. You can find Deltec homes at deltechomes.com. I will also link them in the description below so you can explore their full floor plan catalog and request their introductory booklet, which includes detailed photography and practical information on how the build process works. So to bring everything together, the modern Roundavel in 2026 is not a niche experiment or a novelty. It is a genuinely high-performance home design with a heritage that stretches back through human history and a future that is being built in real time by homeowners who are done with conventional boxes. It uses less material for the same interior space. It performs better in wind, seismic, and extreme weather events. It delivers lower energy bills through passive thermal efficiency. It creates interior spaces of extraordinary light and flow. And in 2026, with prefab precision manufacturing making the build process faster and more cost-effective than ever before, the barrier to entry for owning a round home has never been lower. The one thing it will require from you is a willingness to think differently about what a home is supposed to look like. And judging by the fact that you watched this entire video, I would say you already have that. If you found this video valuable, please share it with someone who is in the process of planning a build or renovation. It could genuinely change the direction of their project. Subscribe to this channel for more honest, research-backed home design content every week. And I will see you in the next video.